Saatnya berpetualangan, datang ke Taman Pelangi. Bersama teman-teman semua, yuk kita saling membantu. Aku punya tas berlari dengan si Joko. Bergegaslah ayo berpetualang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Masal Ramadini.
My name is Arisna Ayunisanti. This is text explanation present continue, present perfect, and present perfect continue tense. And this user in daily English.
Hey, what are you doing right now?
I'm studying for the English that is tomorrow.
Wow, you have student a lot lessons, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been reading grammar books for 2 hours now.
That's great. Have you finished the 40 explanations?
Not yet, I'm still